Ever dreamed of effortlessly duplicating your entire online store to a new host, or create a safe space for testing new features? Today, we're diving deep into how to clone your e-commerce website built on WordPress. Saving you tons of time and effort, this process is perfect for migrations or setting up crucial staging environments. Our secret weapon for this cloning mission is a fantastic plugin called Duplicator. First things first. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to plugins. Then add new in the search bar, type Duplicator, and hit enter. You'll see the Duplicator plugin by Duplicator. Click Install now. And once that's done, click Activate. Now on the left-hand side, you'll see a new Duplicator menu. Click on it, and then select Packages. This is where we'll create our website's clone. Click Create New. Duplicator will then scan your site and prepare for the cloning process. This might take a moment. Keep the default settings for now and click Build. Duplicator will package your entire website, all your files, your database, your themes, your plugins, everything. Once it's finished, you'll see two important files to download: the installer file and the archive file. Download both of these to your computer. These are your website's complete backup and migration kit. Next, you'll need to upload these two files to your new hosting environment or the directory where you want to install your cloned site. You can do this using an FTP client like FileZilla or through your new hosting provider's file manager. Once uploaded, simply visit your new website's URL in your browser followed by /installer. For example, if your new domain is Examplicom, you'll type Examplicom/installer. The Duplicator installer will guide you through the rest. You'll be prompted to enter your new database details. Make sure you've created a new database on your hosting account beforehand. Follow the on-screen instructions, and Duplicator will rebuild your entire e-commerce website on the new server. It's that simple. Your online store is now successfully cloned.